How to block users from seeing your TikTok videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block users from seeing your TikTok videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the TikTok app, make sure that it is updated. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and hit on update so that you will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. Now let's just head on and tap on TikTok to open it. So if you want to block a user from seeing your TikTok video, I'm going to click on a random profile right from my For You page to show you how to block someone. So this is just a random account, so I'm just going to click on their display icon right here to show their profile. And so this feature is really helpful if you want to hide your content from a certain TikTok user and you don't want them to see your TikTok videos. So if you want that, just visit the profile of that particular person or TikTok profile and click on these three dots at the top right corner right here. And immediately you can just see the block button at this part. So let's just click on that. And this will pop up, so TikTok will confirm if you really want to block that person. If you block a certain user, they will not be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. But this doesn't include extended scenarios like multi-host, live streams, duets posted by others, or group chats you both participate in. And they will also not be notified that you blocked them, so you can just block anyone that you don't like to see your content to and just hit unblock if you want to confirm your decision. And when it says like that, you blocked a certain user, you aren't able to see each other's content, that means that you have successfully blocked that user from seeing your TikTok video. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.